Allstate Air and Heating will explain the refrigeration process in AC systems. Using electricity, refrigerant flows in a sealed loop between indoor and outdoor units. A fan cools warm air from your home into the duct system. Refrigerant moves from the outdoor compressor to the indoor evaporator, absorbing heat. Cooled air travels through ducts to vents, lowering the room temperature. This refrigeration process repeats, keeping your home cool. Next, let's talk about the components of a central air conditioning system. A standard central air conditioning system typically consists of two main sections, known as a split system. Central AC has an outdoor unit with a condenser, compressor, and fan. Inside, the evaporator coil sits atop the furnace for cooling. Refrigerant moves heat between the units. Ductwork distributes conditioned air throughout your home. A thermostat controls the cooled air flow. Central AC provides better comfort and reduces humidity in the summer. It also improves air quality by filtering out dust and pollutants. Plus, it's quieter than window units since the compressor is outside. With central AC, enjoy a consistently cool and comfortable home.